Hello and welcome to Sci-Fi Model Shop. With my brother's birthday coming up in April, the old fart's going to be 79 years old. And he's a big Star Trek fan, like myself. And I thought he was asking about the Romulan Warbirds ship. And on Gambody, if I'm saying that right, there's a ship of this that you 3D print. I tried the kit for it. You can see the picture right here. And that kit is pretty worthless. It's an old kit. It doesn't fit well. Out of alignment, things like that. So I decided to print this. And what we're looking at here is the base. This base here comes with the files from Gambody. And this looks white in the video. And sorry for that, but you know, white's white. It's going to do what white does. It's actually bamboo filament called marble. It's a white marble. And this symbol right here, the Romulan Warbird symbol, is printed in Christmas green because the ship's green. So this is part of this, but I wanted to light this up and everything, so I made this base right here. I have the autofocus on, so you'll have to excuse things. I need to get as much as this as I cleared. So in Fusion 360, I made a round base because this is kind of oval shaped right here. And cut out a channel right here that this is going to get epoxy glued on right here. And out this back end right here. As you can see, it goes, you know, it's cut out right here. I am going to take a lamp cord, one of these bad boys, cut off these parts right here. This is for wiring up a lamp. Basically is what it is. I like it because it has the switch on it right here. This one right here. And it's going to get soldered and wired up to a 12 volt wall wart power supply. So that's the base portion of it. Now I took and 3D Builder, and I showed in one of my videos how to drill out holes. I drilled this hole out here and this hole out here because I wanted to be able to get to the bottom portion of it right here. You can see there's holes, there's a hole at the bottom, so it goes all the way through, and that's to run my wires. So it's gonna come from the ship and go through here into the base and plug in. which presents the next portion of this right here. Let me turn the yellow focus off. This right here is the base part of it, or the bottom, I should say. It's not. It just has these connectors right here. I just printed those in my scrap. Wound up being purple. You'll never see them. And this is the bottom portion of it right here. But the designer of this model failed to have the back section, you'll see in this picture here, is pointed out, and it even shows that it's lit. He failed to run a way to a channel wire that would power this up. He has a wire right here, channel wire, because that's what the circle is, and that's what these circles are right here. And so he has it to where you could wire up the front part of the ship, but not the back. So I go, well, that's kind of crappy, you know. So as a solution on that, this has two parts that goes here, and in the corner right here, you can see right there, I took a pin vise and I drilled a hole so I could take the wires from the front half and put them into here to run to the back. And this part here is just a something to cover up all this. And that's these two parts right here. Kind of hard seeing them, but you know, they're the ones that fit right in here. So again, in 3D Builder, I made a round post, I should say, and you can put it, you know, into the model, and then you hit subtract. I think that's my other video as well, and it'll cut a channel right here. You see these have a groove, a channel. Get out of here. And they just simply, well, cover everything up right here. Just like that. Now they'll run power to the back end of what I'm doing there. So that's kind of where this is. Later on, either today or during the week, I will have a stash ad. Videos get kind of long to explain all this. Sorry for that, but you know, it takes time to go over all these details, and I didn't want to break this up. So this is Ron from Sci-Fi Model Shop saying energize, and let's go build a model.